One of my favorite plants to use in the landscape anytime I'm dealing with a situation where I have a lot of hard features is grasses, ornamental grasses, whether it's pampas grass or maiden grass or zebra grass. It is fantastic for softening up areas of the landscape that have a lot of hardscapes around them. Here in the backyard, we've got a brick wall, we've got a patio and a couple other things. And it just needed to be softened up a little bit. So several years ago, we put in ornamental grasses. It is time to prune them. So what I want to show you today is how to properly prune ornamental grasses. Hi, I'm Dr. Tom Warren, and you're watching The Plant Doctor. Let's get started. So there's a couple of different tools that you can use to successfully prune your ornamental grasses. I would not recommend using something small like hand snips unless you are pruning like a dwarf grass. Most of our ornamental grasses are going to either require hand shears that you would prune shrubs with, or gas shears. I'm going to use gas shears today. We're not just going to go over the top with gas shears. I want to show you a trick that's going to make your cleanup and your pruning process a whole lot more simple. If you have some old string, some baling twine like I have here, old fishing line would work, just anything laying around the house. The first step is going to be to take your twine or your fishing string or whatever you're using, whatever you have available to you, and go around the bush with it. And once you've done this, we are going to tie it off above where we're going to make our cut with our pruning shears. All right, so all we want to do is grab both ends of this string, pull it tight, and I'm going to tie this off at about waist high, which for me is right around 3 feet. I'm right at 6 foot tall, so waist high should be right at around 3 feet or so. So I'm going to take this and we're going to tie this off and pull it really tight around this clump of grass. So what is this going to do for us? This is going to make our cleanup a whole lot simpler. As I'm pruning, I'm not having to worry about all these individual grass blades blowing around everywhere. This is right on the property line. I love my neighbors, they're great people, but I don't want my trash blowing over on their yard. It's just a courtesy thing. They'd let me go over there and clean it up, no problem. But it's just, if we can avoid having a big mess, that's what we're after here. So now the only thing left to do is to prune these. I'm going to angle my pruning shears just a little bit, maybe 20 degrees or so. And we're going to crank up and we're going to make some cuts. So now that we have our grass cut, I can use that rope from earlier, and I've got it all in a nice, neat, throwaway, disposable bundle here. Or if you would like to, those actually make great indoor arrangements. You can put them in a vase, they look very pretty. And we've done that in my house from time to time, use the dead plumage from the grass to make table arrangements or whatever for a week or two, and it looks really great. From here, we've got just a little bit of cleanup work. We can do that with a pair of hand head shears or the gas trimmers, whatever we like. And that is a very simple way to prune your ornamental grasses in a fashion where it's not making a big mess. Put a rope around them, tie it off, cut below the rope. When you're done pruning, you can grab the rope and you can move that bundle wherever you need to move it, whether it's to the compost pile or out to the street for the city to pick up. Makes very easy disposal of your pruned clippings. Guys, as always, thank you for watching The Plant Doctor, and until next time, happy gardening.